In this video, we will show you how to do the pre-flight preparation. First, download Autel Explorer in the App Store or Google Play. Please prepare the following items before starting: the aircraft, remote controller, battery, mobile phone, charger, AC cable, data cable. Make sure the aircraft battery and remote controller are fully charged. Unfold the handles of the remote controller. Vertically align the antennas so they are parallel with each other. Unfold the mobile device holder and secure your device. Connect the remote controller and mobile phone with the data cable. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and the remote controller will be powered on. Remove the gimbal guard. Unfold the front arms first, and then the rear arms. Insert the battery into the battery compartment, making sure it clicks into place. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on the aircraft. Open the Autel Explorer app and finish the registration. Click the Bind button to bind the aircraft. At this point, your pre-flight preparation is complete. Thank you for watching.